In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Calendly with PayPal. By the end, you'll have your PayPal account connected to Calendly, so you can accept payments seamlessly when people book with you. Start by opening Calendly in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're in your dashboard, look for the section labeled Integrations and Apps. Depending on your layout, you'll find it in the main navigation or sidebar. Click it to open Calendly's integration directory. If you don't see it right away, use the search bar at the top of your dashboard to quickly jump there. Inside the integrations directory, use the search field and type PayPal. This filters the list so you can spot the official PayPal integration right away. You should see a tile or card for PayPal with details provided by Calendly. Click that PayPal option to open its integration page. This page gives you a brief summary of what the integration does and what permissions it needs. Next, click Connect. Calendly will redirect you to PayPal's secure login window. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign in and authorize the connection. During this step, you're granting Calendly permission to accept payments through your PayPal account when someone books an event. Make sure you choose the PayPal account where you want to receive funds. If you have multiple PayPal accounts, verify you're logged into the correct one before you continue. It's also a good idea to have two-factor authentication ready if you use it, and to allow pop-ups or disable strict browser blockers, since the approval window may open in a new tab. After you complete the authorization, you'll be sent back to Calendly. You should now see PayPal marked as connected on the integration page. That's your confirmation that Calendly can communicate with PayPal. If the connection doesn't appear, refresh the page and try again. If the connect button seems unresponsive, temporarily disable ad blockers, VPNs or strict privacy extensions and repeat the process. And if the wrong PayPal account keeps appearing, sign out of PayPal in a separate browser tab first, then click Connect again from the Calendly page. That's it. Your Calendly and PayPal accounts are now linked. From here, you're ready to use PayPal for bookings that require payment. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to replay any section while you connect your own accounts.